they got a sub count. I ain't never know that. That is good to know. I was wondering how many subscribers I got. That way it probably can motivate some of y'all to, oh, you in here? Man, boy, hey man, Twisted Soul cool, man. I ain't lying, y'all. You know about that sub count? Can we get the sub count in here? You be making it seem so like you doing that stuff so easy. I don't even be knowing if you really having a hassle of actually putting that on there. Thank you. Alright, I'm finna go make a full pass. Try to anyway. Yeah, I'm finna go jump in this old beast. I mean this caprice. Oh, the caprice did this thing. Y'all check it out. 223. No time PT. Oh. I spit a little check. Oh yeah. Getting baby ready, y'all. Mustang. Okay. Uh-oh, he finna race him past this 5.0. Okay. Love the road by in the lanes. Okay. Okay. Alright, y'all, we back. I'm glad it did it right now instead of in between the paths. I can get beside me, but I couldn't beat him. All right, have a good night, man. Well, I like the way this thing runs, boy. I like the way this thing runs. Ain't nothing else really going on over here, y'all. Probably gonna ride the Yello Belly. Yello Belly might got something going. Let's see what they gonna do right here. What they gonna do? They ain't gonna do nothing. Huh? They ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, okay. Well, hell, I might as well
I told
go.
every one of them I grudge them. Nobody wanna grudge me.
Damn, man, I'm tired of you doing
I'm
this
tired of
shit.
this weak motherfucker. I'm serious, bro.
Damn.
Weak motherfucker getting on my nerves.
I'm finna go to Yello Belly.
Yello Belly.
Yeah.
What they doing over there?
I don't know. I'm finna go see.
Oh, okay.
What's up with
Yello
it?
Belly or what?
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
What it look like? You don't
I
know?
don't know.
Let me know. You finna go live?
Yeah, I'm live now.